All right, boys. You see what the deal is. It's the Mavic Mini. Okay, here we go.
Takeoff. The home point
We're gonna
has
give
been
you a little
updated.
update on
Please
the
check it on the map.
Gonna give you a little update on Lake Donegal. I go over here to check the spillway out, the dam part. That's looking good. So that's not filled up enough to do any spilling over yet. But it looks great. This is really looking nice. Nice, man. Yeah, this breeze is picking up. Okay, I gotta come back here a little bit. I'm getting those weak signals, shit, so. Oh well, no big deal. I got out there good. I got a nice view of the place. Looks great. Yeah, but it's filling up real nice, guys. Real nice. Should be ready by July, August, something like that. There'll still be a bunch of good months left in there. Bunch of people came by here to check it out. I had some company here. One guy's leaving right now. See if I can spin around. There's one guy in a truck right there. He came to look at it. There's one guy turning out onto the road right there. You see him. He was over here. I didn't go up that high because of the wind. I thought the wind might be a lot worse up there. And I never did get the wind warning, but I was really actually surprised that I didn't. Because this wind is kicking up pretty damn good up here. I'm having a hard time seeing this sun here. Oh. All right, there it is. I couldn't see the damn thing and the damn sun was in my eye. You find a nice soft spot to put it down.
Landing.
All right, let me cut the video. All right, guys. Oh boy, ugh. Man, it sucks to get old. Truly does. Man, I'm smelling somebody's got like some kind of barbecue something going over here at one of these houses. Somebody's grilling something. Oh boy. All right, guys, you have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.